Hi everyone, winter is here, and while the weather outside might be chilly, it's the perfect time to focus on the care of your indoor bonsai. In this video, I'll guide you through everything you need to know to keep your bonsai healthy and thriving indoors during the colder months. Before we get started, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Here's a question to kick things off. What type of bonsai do you have, and where do you keep it during winter? Let me know in the comments below. Care Tip 1. Why winter care matters for indoor bonsai. Unlike outdoor bonsai, indoor bonsai trees don't enter full dormancy during winter. They still need care, but their growth slows down significantly. Understanding their specific needs during this time is essential to prevent issues like yellowing leaves, root rot, or pest infestations. Have you ever noticed your bonsai struggling in winter? If so, what was the main issue? Care Tip 2. The perfect spot for winter. Place your bonsai near a window with bright, indirect sunlight. A south-facing window is often ideal. Avoid locations near drafts, heaters, or radiators, as sudden temperature changes can stress the tree. If natural light is limited, consider using a grow light to supplement. How much light does your bonsai get during the day? Share your setup below. Care Tip 3. Watering adjustments. During winter, indoor bonsai trees require less water. Always check the top inch of soil. Water only when it feels dry. Avoid overwatering, as this can lead to root rot, especially when the tree is less active. Care Tip 4. Humidity is key. Indoor heating can dry out the air, so increase humidity around your bonsai by misting the leaves daily or placing a humidity tray underneath the pot. What's your favorite way to keep humidity levels up? Have you tried a humidity tray? Care Tip 5. Pruning and fertilizing in winter. Avoid heavy pruning during winter unless you spot damaged or diseased branches. Hold off on fertilizing until spring, as the tree doesn't need much nutrition when it's not actively growing. Care Tip 6. Inspect for pests. Common indoor pests, like spider mites and scale, can appear in winter. Inspect your bonsai weekly, and treat pests early with gentle solutions like neem oil. With the right care, your indoor bonsai will stay healthy and ready for the active growing season in spring. Remember to adjust light, water, and humidity, and check your tree regularly for any signs of stress. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with other bonsai enthusiasts. And let me know in the comments, what's your go-to winter care tip for indoor bonsai? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.